Okay, today's assignment is pretty easy. I need you to go back and find your parts of speech PowerPoint. And so what we're going to do is we're going to make it look pretty today, and we're going to just review how you make a transition from slide to slide. Okay, so the easiest way to make it look pretty is if you select one and you are on the Design tab, and then you go over here to what they call Designer. Now, if you are on the online version of PowerPoint, you will not have this. But now you can figure out what would work for each one. In general, usually you should put the same type of thing on each one. So you can just go through, and I want you to go through and make it pretty, okay? Then, just to remind people how you do it, to do transitions from one to the other, you go up here to transitions, and so you can change the transition. You can add a sound. You can right now just leave it on mouse click, and you can also make it shorter or longer. So we'll make it 5 or 4 just so you can see. So now if I select the first one and I play, I should be able to hear it, and it will go to the next one. So at the end of this assignment, you need to use Designer to make it pretty, and you need to put a transition in between each one. If you have any questions, let me know.